So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. A lot of you are asking about the code labs. Is there any deadline extension for the GenAI Academy application? So here is the latest update. I have received this email. Even if you have not received this email, let's cover it in detail. What are the new changes? So first of all, the deadline was supposed to end today. It is extended till 31st of May, 11:59 p.m. So you can submit the code labs on 31st of May. Means up to 31st of May, you can submit the code lab submission. How you have to do the submission? Let me just tell you. I posted a video regarding it. Okay, how we have to do the submission, which screenshot we have to attach. Here is the video, you can watch it. I'll share the link of the entire playlist in the description also for this video too. Now coming over here to the second query, a lot of you are asking that how to get the credits. So as of now, they have revoked all the previous credits worth $5. Now you have to just redeem using your personal credentials. Now for this process also, I have made a video already. You can see trial video. You can just watch it and claim the credits and just complete the code lab. The process is very simple. Now what will happen after this? Now once you have done, you have set up and completed the challenge. From tomorrow, the MCQ assessment round will be live, which is also a mandatory for the GenAI Academy APAC edition. So you can just complete the MCQ also. For that also related video will be live. So stay tuned till the end. And for the people who don't know about GenAI Academy APAC edition, they can watch the videos completely. I have covered in Hindi also and in English also. All the guides are there how to complete the professional tracks, student tracks completely. So take the benefit of all the opportunities if you want to participate in the arcade program and win some cool goodies. For that also you'll find the links in the description. Just check the description, everything is there. And if you have any doubts, you can comment down below. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day ahead.